Hello everyone, I'm Michaela, and today we will talk about how to create Salesforce Flows with AI. AI is everywhere in Salesforce right now, including Flows. And in today's video, we will show you how to use AI to build flows faster, where it actually helps, and where you still need human judgment. When we talk about AI and flows, we are not talking about AI magically understanding your business. We're talking about generating flow logic from natural language, suggesting conditions, decisions, and actions, and speeding up the repetitive setup work. Let's walk through a real example. We are now on the flows page in setup, and in the upper right corner we can click new flow. This opens a new window where we select get started under let Einstein help you build. In our example, we want a flow that runs when an opportunity is marked as close won, and it should update related records, should send a notification, and it should handle errors. With AI, we can describe this in plain English. So I will just type the instructions here. When an opportunity is close won, update the related accounts active field to true, notify finance, and log any error. So the magic has just happened. We can see that the flow was generated. The trigger is the opportunity object when it is updated, and when the stage equals close won, so this is correct. Then we should update the related account record, which was also selected well, but it didn't get the field because I described active field and it updated the account side field. Then it should notify finance, which is also fine. It created the correct element. It's still not populated, just the body message within this sentence. An opportunity has been close won on your account. Quite good. And then it logs errors. It would be probably better to have this log errors on a fault path, but AI is not very good with fault paths. As you can see, it's good in choosing the right trigger type, creating the basic decision logic, and suggesting standard actions. It also assumes that users have full permission, so you should always test your flow with low permission users if necessary and add the default paths manually. It's a good strategy to treat AI output as a first draft and not the final code. So AI shines when you are prototyping or when you are translating business requirements into logic. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.